So real quick, let me show you something. So if you check this particular YouTube channel, it has gained over 3.3 million views in a lifetime. And if you check the 30 days view, it has gained over 211,000 views in the next 30 days. And if you check another channel in the same niche, you can see that this particular YouTube channel in the lifetime has gained over 800k views. And if you check the last 30 days, it has gained over 757k views in the last 30 days. So, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create this YouTube channel. So in this particular tutorial, we are going to be replicating this particular video. Let me play it to show you what you are going to replicate in this video.
Entrance at the family reunion. Our family reunion, and I delivered.
So I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how you can create this particular video and be able to make money on YouTube and be able to actually gain views, as this particular niche is actually popular right now. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you exactly how you can do that. So we are going to be focusing on this particular niche, which is called Reddit Story. So it's very easy to create video in this niche. We are going to let's copy the Reddit Story, then come over to Google. So we are going to come over to Google, then paste it, and you are going to see how easy and very fast you can actually create video in this niche. So as you can see, this particular story, so these are the story you can actually use. So let me click on this first one, which is the story on Reddit subreddit. So as you can see, this niche is actually popular, and if you see, there are a lot of story you can actually see over here. And if you want to copy any story on Reddit, ensure that it has a lot of likes, which is this one. So this one have 367 likes. That means most people are actually liking this particular story. So we can easily convert this story into a video. And if you check this one have over 1.7k likes. So let's try to replicate this one. Let's convert this particular story into a video. So a video is very simple. Like, we are going to use this AI tool, which is called Short.ai. So you can actually sign up for this AI tool and test them. They have a lot of video you can actually do. You can do Reddit story, you can do fake text video, you can do AI story video. So it depends on your niche or your video you actually want to do. So over here we have some popular video they can actually do. So we have Reddit story, and this is the format. We have another one which is this format. So let's use this story. Create a story over here. Create a story, and over here you can actually use 3 methods of importing your script to this particular AI tool. So you can ask AI tool to actually write the script for you, which is the AI story. So, and you can actually paste your own script over here. Maybe you are going to click on the description of the video, your video script, or you can actually import it from TikTok or Reddit directly. So let's import it from TikTok or Reddit. So let's use the name, like the name of the owner of the story, so which is basic chemistry. So let me click on it first to actually copy every details of this particular story. So the name is basic chemistry. Copy, then come over to Short.ai, then paste. So over here he said, I work at security hotel where one of the biggest musician artists in the world stay. And it's very interesting to see how it works. So let me copy, then come over to the storyboard, paste. As you can see, I've pasted the title. So the next thing I have to copy is to copy the entire story. So as you can see, this is a non-fictional story and people actually love it. If you actually publish it on YouTube, a lot of people are going to be more interested. It's going to be more engaging. So we are going to copy the story, then come over, then actually paste our story over here. Paste our story. As you can see, we are about to actually have highly engaging video. So next thing you have to do is to actually choose, maybe you want Reddit title tag or main body. So let's use Reddit title tag, then actually to the character. So let's use 200 and above. So the next thing we have to use is to video script character, so we can equal to the original video. Issue with plagiarism, you can rewrite this particular content. This AI is going to help you to rewrite it, or you can use it directly so that this AI will not just mix up the word for us. So we are going to click on use it. So actually click on next. Since we know that we are going to be using this story, click on next once again. So then we are going to choose the background of the video we are going to be using. So there are a lot of background over here. So this Short.ai has a lot of background you can actually use. It depends on which one you love to use. So let's assume that we are going to be using this one. So let's use this one as a case study. So let's use this one as a case study, then click on next again. And if you are liking this video so far, please ensure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video thumbs up, so that whenever I upload this video like this, you are going to be the first one to watch my video. So next thing we are going to choose the text of the like the word that are going to be showing, which is the caption. So there are a lot of caption over here that is very, very engaging. So I'm going to be choosing this particular caption, this one. So you can choose any one you actually love, then click on next once again. We are going to choose the voiceover we are going to be using for this video. So I believe we should use a male voiceover because it's going to be much interesting than that a male voiceover is speaking to us. We are going to choose any of the voiceover. So let's play this particular voiceover to see.
Today, we're talking.
That one is a female, so let's play the Fredrick's.
And here we have a calm, well-spoken narrator.
I actually love this voiceover, so I'm going to choose it. You can actually play around to see a lot of voiceover this AI Short.ai has. So let's choose this voiceover. As you can see, I've chosen the voiceover, and if you want a background music, you can actually choose your background music over here. So there are a lot of background music you can actually choose, but due to the fact that I don't want any copyright with YouTube, so I will not be using any of this voiceover and any of the background music. So I will not be using because of copyright. I will actually use YouTube music for this particular purpose. So I'm going to click on generate the video, then I will be able to generate this particular video and be able to upload it on YouTube. So it's going to take some minutes or a while for you to actually get your video and be able to start uploading it on YouTube. So if you want to try Short.ai, I will definitely drop the link to Short.ai inside the video description for you to actually sign up and be able to start creating a lot of video with this particular AI tool. So I will have to pause this video, wait for you to generate, then actually show you the outcome of this particular AI tool. Like the video is generated for us. I actually showed you that the video has been generated successfully. As you can see, this particular title was showed up successfully, and it showed like the like and the comment, indicating that it's a content from Reddit. So let me play the video to actually show you exactly that we actually replicate the video I showed you in the beginning of this video. So let me play it to show you exactly that we have the video ready. So let's play.
Where one of the biggest musical artists in the world stayed. And it was interesting to see how that works. I occasionally do weekend security work at one of the swankiest hotels in my city, and sometimes big names stay there while they are in town. I won't name the celebrity, but I will just call her Amy. The one thing that really stood out to me was how every single one of her movements was planned and choreographed. Like I said, she is one of the biggest musical artists in the world right now, and she would no doubt get swarmed if she walked through a public area and people realized it was her. So shielding her from the public was the #1 priority. All of the hotel staff had a pre-shift meeting with her security team. There were some basic guidelines, such as do not speak to her.
So as you can see, let me pause this video, and if you actually want to make money on YouTube, this is one of the best way you can actually do by actually creating this video, uploading it back to back. So that reason why you see all this channel racking up a total sum of 800 views within 30 days, within lifetime. If you check another one which I've showed you earlier in this video, it actually have over 3.3 million views. Imagine if you actually promoting products, or you actually be consistent with this video, you can actually make a lot of money on YouTube. So I hope this video actually help you out. If you do, kindly give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that I'm going to be doing videos such like this on this channel. Ensure you subscribe and check out Short.ai inside the video description. Bye.